It's time for yet another maverick adjudication this evening. This new appeal by boys champs losers Kingston College against the disqualification of their Class 1 800-meter runner for obstructing his Calabar rival. Now, my duty this evening is singularly to look dispassionately at the incident, scrutinize and analyze every minute detail, and determine if it was a fair ruling in the first place. And right away, we can tell you that the original action was excessive. None of these athletes should have been disqualified for that incident. This was nothing more than hard-nosed, competitive champs combat between KC and Calabar, and merited nothing more than a warning. The technical people at champs saw it differently. They claim the KC runner obstructed the Calabar runner and duly disqualified the KC runner -2 points and promoted the Calabar runner by 1 place and added 1 point. Now, as for this latest appeal, my information is that the Kingston College case is being built around possible breaches in procedural protocol and not around the validity of the initial ruling. I think the KC Queen's Council them get it wrong. Them should have consulted the Maverick. I would have presented a stronger case, citing the original disqualification as an excessive overkill, which was not in keeping with the spirit of champs. I would have made a strong case that this whole thing started with the Calabar runner committing the cardinal sin of trying to pass the KC runner on the inside, which initiated the original contact. Everything after that, in village law terms, was understandable reaction. And again, none of these athletes should have been disqualified. Watch out, man. Tell the KC Queen's Council them to call the Maverick. Or better yet, visit the office at Maverick and Associates. Or even better yet, email me at www.villagelawyer.com. Let me help you with the case.